What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Young KD. And today I'm gonna teach y'all how to get louder mixes without distortion on Bandlab. And it's really simple, so y'all stay tuned. First thing you wanna do is make sure your track is not clipping. So look down at the bottom and make sure it's not turning red right here. If it is red at the bottom, that means your track is distorting and that is not good. So turn down the levels until you're at a healthy level and your track is not distorting or turning red. So what you wanna do when you're done with the song is you wanna save your mix, download it, open up a new session in Bandlab, add the song you just did. You want to add an effect on the song. You want to go to dynamics, scroll down to the vintage limiter, and apply the limiter. What the limiter does, the limiter just raises the perceived volume of your track. Basically just makes your track louder without really raising the volume. So what you want to do on this limiter is push the volume until your track sounds loud enough, but still make sure it's not clipping or turning red down at the bottom. I'm gonna show you an example right now and watch how the levels don't really change, but the volume does.
Tell a nigga, how you better show him what you know. Just like a plant, nigga, money finna grow. Tesla, put it on 24. Put that together in a fuck nigga fro. Christian loops on me, got spice on my toes. That nigga mad cause the main hoe just showed. Been your little block in the motherfucking rows. If he talk shit, turn that boy to a ghost. Bake him up, heat him up, just like a roast. Cause niggas be talking and doing the most. None of that slick shit, phasing the goat. Put up on a ripstick, shoot him in the throat. Nigga, how you better show him what you know. Just like a plant, nigga, money finna grow. Tesla, put it on 24. Put that together in a fuck nigga fro. Christian loops on me, got spice on my toes. That nigga mad cause the main hoe just showed. Been your little block in the motherfucking rows. If he talk shit, turn that boy to a ghost. Bake him up, heat him up, just like a roast. Cause niggas be talking and doing the most. None of that slick shit, phasing the goat. Put up on a ripstick, shoot him in the throat.